only 4 people in the tour, so it was really good value for money for us. The cruise was nice and our guide Indira was very good. She gave us much info about Dubrovnik and answered our many questions. Definitely recommend it. Old Town Dubrovnik walking tour and cruise with Karaka. Join us for an unforgettable journey through time, by land and see Dubrovnik from a whole new perspective. Discover the rich maritime heritage of Dubrovnik aboard the Karaka, a stunning replica of a 16th-century ship once used by the Republic of Ragusa. There's truly no better way to experience the city's seafaring past than from the deck of this historic vessel. Prepare to be transported through centuries as we explore its breathtaking monasteries and palaces to churches and fountains. Your experience begins with a 45-minute panoramic cruise to the Old Town, where our expert guides will introduce you to the city's remarkable maritime legacy. Then, on a 90-minute guided walking tour through Dubrovnik's historic streets,